class, welcome back to our online program from American Bridge International School with Teacher again. How are you this morning, everyone? Okay, I hope all you guys are doing fine. For me, I'm good. So everyone, did you have breakfast already? Wow, great job. Did you brush your teeth and wash your face already, everyone? Okay, great. Alright everyone, so now sit properly and study with teacher together. But before we start the class, could you please tell me, do you have enough material on your table right now? Wow, great job everyone. Okay, so can you tell me what day is today? Yes, correct. Today is Wednesday. And what about the month? What is the month, everyone? Yes, the month is August and the date is 26, correct? And the year is 2020. Alright, so before teacher start a new lesson, please review the previous lesson with teacher first. Alright? Okay, good job everyone. So now look at our whiteboard and read our review words with teacher together. Alright? Review. Review. There is a hive in the pine. There is a hive in the pine. There is a dime in the hive. There is a dime in the hive. There is a pipe under the pine. There is a pipe under the pine. There is a dime in the pipe. There is a dime in the pipe. There is a dime on the pipe. There is a dime on the pipe. Jane has a dime and Dan has a dime. Jane has a dime and Dan has a dime. There are 5 dimes. There are 5 dimes. Alright, great job everyone. Because all of these sentences you have learned already, right? With the previous lesson, right? Okay, great job. So now read by yourself. Alright? Okay, good. Alright. Great. Good job. Alright. Okay, correct. Okay, great job everyone. I hope all you guys can read all these sentences well, right? Okay. Alright everyone, so now we continue our new lesson. So our new lesson today, which is about Unit, correct, Unit 5. So we learn about a new unit, right? So there are 3 sounds with our new unit. Yes, the first one is old, the second one is own, and the last one is ose. Alright, great job everyone. So now please read our new lesson with teacher together. Alright, okay, good job everyone. Wednesday, August 26, 2020. Jungle Phonics 3. Unit 5. Sound old, own, ose. Sound old, own, ose. Sound old, sound old. So today we learn only one sound. It's about sound. Yes, sound old. Okay, repeat after teacher. Again, everyone. Old, old. Okay, good. Number 1. So there are 3 words with the sound old. Alright, correct. 1. Whole, whole, whole. 2. Mole, 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 mole. 3. Pole, pole, pole. Okay, good. One more time. Hole, hole, hole. Mole, mole, mole. Pole, pole, pole. Okay, great job. So This is the picture of whole. So you can see here, right? The point here is this is called whole, like this, right? Okay, this is called whole, right? Good job. Okay, number 2, mole. And this is mole here. Yes, it's come from the hole, right? You can see here. Yes, this is called mole, right? Good. And number 3, pole. So this is called pole. Alright, great job everyone. Alright, so now let's spell together. Whole, H-O-L-E. Whole. One more time. Whole, H-O-L-E. Whole. Okay, number 2, mole, M-O-L-E. Mole. Mole, M-O-L-E. Mole. 3, pole, P-O-L-E. Pole, P-O-L-E. Pole. Okay, great job everyone. So now please read and spell by yourself. Okay, right. Number 1. Good. Number 2. Correct. 3. Wow, great job everyone. So now you know all this word, right? Can you spell it without looking everyone? Alright, good. So now read with teacher again. Alright. Whole, whole, whole. Mole, mole, mole. Pole, pole, pole. Okay, great job everyone. So now I take out the flashcard on the whiteboard and I'm gonna ask you, but you, yes, don't cheat me, okay? Don't look at the book. Just look at the flashcard that I show you and then answer me, what's that word? Alright? Ready everyone? Okay, good job. So can you tell me, what is this? What is this? Yes, correct. This is mole. Can you spell moles together, please? Great job. Mole, M-O-L-E. Mole. Okay, great. And the next one. What is this, everyone? Yes, great job. This is pole. Okay, let's spell poles out loud together, everyone. Yes, great job. Pole, P-O-L-E. Pole. Alright, great. And the last one. What is this, everyone? Yes, correct. Hole. So can you spell hole? Wow, great job. Hole, H-O-L-E. Hole. Okay, wow. Everyone, you are so clever. Alright, so for the first session, we have already learned about the sound O. So how many words from the sound O? 3, right? The first one is hole. The second one is mole. And the last one is pole. Okay, great job everyone. So now we finish our first session. See you guys in the second session. Bye bye. Don't forget to drink water and go to the bathroom. Alright? Alright everyone. And one more thing. Don't forget to copy the lesson on the whiteboard. Alright everyone. See you in the second session. Alright?